To fix dark or overexposed photos by adjusting brightness on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tone icon. Next, tap brightness icon. Here you can use the slider to manually adjust the brightness. Drag the slider to the left to make the photo darker. It's helpful for overexposed shot, or you can drag the slider to the right to brighten the image. It's useful when the photo is too dark. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. Given the function, using the brightness tool helps you fix photos that are too dark or overexposed. It's an easy way to make your photos look better. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.